One of the forms of a naturally occurring solid compound P is usually used for making the floors of houses. On adding a few drops of dilute hydrochloric acid to P, brisk effervescence are produced. When 50 gram of reactant P was heated strongly, then 22 gram of a gas Q and 28 gram of solid R were produced as product. Gas Q is the same which produced brisk effervescence on adding dilute HCl to P. Gas Q is said to cause global warming, whereas solid R is used for whitewashing. P, when strongly heated, it gives a solid R and a gas Q. This gas Q causes global warming. Moreover, P produces brisk effervescence with HCl. This gas Q causes global warming means this is carbon dioxide. Solid R is used for whitewashing. Therefore, it is calcium oxide. So, P is calcium carbonate. So, answer to A part is solid P is calcium carbonate, gas Q, this is carbon dioxide, and solid R is calcium oxide. Now, what is the total mass of Q and R obtained from 50 gram of P? Now, mass of Q is given as 22 gram, then mass of R is given as 28 gram. So, total mass is 28 plus 22, which is equal to 50 gram. So, this is the answer to the P part. Now, C part. How does the total mass of Q and R formed compare with the mass of P taken? Now, mass of P taken is 50 gram. Therefore, we can say weight of P taken is equal to weight of R plus weight of Q. D part. What conclusion do you get from the comparison of masses of products and reactants? Now, masses of products is 50 gram. This is the total mass of product formed, and mass of reactant is 50 gram. So, from the comparison of masses of product and reactant, we can say that the mass of product is same as that of the mass of reactants. E part. Which law of chemical combination is illustrated by the example given in this problem? Now, since mass of reactant is same as the total mass of the product formed, we can say that law of conservation of mass is illustrated by the example given in this problem.